Congo, ce pays de Lumumba. Regardez ce pays. Regardez les droits. Regardez ce qu'on fait à ceux qui parlent. Regardez des menottes. Souvenez-vous de Lumumba. Des corrompus, des Congolais, des gens qui tuent ce pays. On tué ce pays. On tué Lumumba et continue à tuer le peuple congolais. Vous les regardez, vous êtes des complices. On tue les gens, on tue les enfants dans des écoles. Vous avez là, les Belges sont partis. Et aujourd'hui, le peuple va parler et vous allez partir aussi. Maintenant, on va vous balayer comme ça. Comme on a balayé les gens en Afrique du Sud.
Nzambe asali ke mwana wana ya po misu nini ba ekayo ezaki na misu mabino ekwea. Mission Félix Azena ngo ezali misato. Mission na ya liboso ezali ko blanchir occupation. Mission na ya mibale ezali ko endormir le peuple congolais pour que mission ya misato a légaliser l'occupation et la balkanisation du Congo. Bobo Sanate retenu 3 missions wana soki to stopper attenter lobby beaucoup mi rappeler que honoré nganda ebisaka kazena 3 missions yango ya accomplir yango. Nous devons stopper ce garçon. C'est notre fils, c'est notre frère, nous devons le stopper. Et c'est le kolomoni mwana ya yibi livré andako azo luka kende ko brader yango. Beaucoup sauter les colonnes et simbi et plaquer au sol. C'est ce que nous devons faire avec Félix. Nous devons le plaquer au sol.
Hello everyone, it is your friend. Hello everyone, it is Persidi Chabumwabi. I'm here today to talk to you about how Papa Honoré Gwanda said that Felix Tshisekedi is coming to divide our country, which is balkanization of the country. Firstly, I'd like to start with how the country Ituri was first using Congolese money, which is the Congolese franc money, but nowadays it's using the Ugandan people come and take over it and is using the Ugandan money. Felix Tshisekedi is not saying anything about it, nor any politician is saying nothing about it. Moving on to Felix Tshisekedi also made a deal with Kagame. He made a deal with Kagame, and now he's refusing. Felix Tshisekedi is refusing to talk to the leader of the M23, which is Kagame. The reason why? Because of the deal he made before. Therefore, Felix Tshisekedi is willing to sell his own mother in order to remain in power of the country, which is not a good thing. We need to stand up, we need to speak up, and we need to fight, because what Felix Tshisekedi is doing is wrong. Felix Tshisekedi, there's a 5 groups of people, where it's Felix Tshisekedi group of people, Nanga's group of people, Kagame group of people, the Ugandans, as well as Kabila, are all these 5 group of people are all have one mission, wanting to divide our country, wanting to divide Congo. Why? For their own benefits, for their own interest, which we as Congolese people, as members of APARECO, we need to stand up, we need to stop, we need to put an end to this and fight for our country, for our land. Therefore, we need to remove the mask that is in our eye, the mask that is covering our eyes. We need to remove all distractions, all this interest of music, of concerts, of Fally Ipupa and Wera song. We need to stop it. Can you imagine that Felix Tshisekedi made a decision that the products coming from the east side of the country will be charged with an international fee? So if you're sending products from Goma to Kinshasa, you'll be charged with an international fee. Why is Felix Tshisekedi doing this? Can you not see that Felix Tshisekedi is trying to divide our big country into 2 different countries? That's why I'm asking that as Congolese youth, as Congolese people, as members of APARECO, to stand up, to put an end to this. We must not be behind politicians, we must not be behind Felix Tshisekedi, we must not be behind Nanga, we must not follow, yes, we should not be behind, we should not follow Felix Tshisekedi, we should not follow Nanga, we should not follow Kabila or any of these politicians. We need to stand up, we need to fight for our countries, fight for our land. We're only going to do this with one system, the system of soulèvement populaire and the system of système ya Mbuma. That's why I'm going to say Ingeta, Ingeta, Ingeta.
Peuple congolais, ne soyons pas comme Jonas, qui se refuse à faire ce que Dieu attend de lui et se retrouve victime de tous les malheurs du monde. Il est plus que temps pour que la conscience patriotique soit ajoutée à notre foi. Nous devons nous lever contre l'alliance diabolique de Kigali et Kinshasa qui permet au Rwanda de dominer et contrôler tout au Congo pendant que se poursuivent les massacres de nos compatriotes à l'est du pays dans l'indifférence totale. Il est temps pour chacun de nous de faire sa part afin que Dieu fasse la sienne et nous assure la victoire. Gardons ensemble la flamme de notre espérance et de notre assurance dans les promesses que Dieu nous fait depuis l'époque de Simon Kimbangu. Toutes les promesses de Dieu pour le Congo n'attendent que notre éveil de conscience patriotique pour s'accomplir. Peuple congolais, la balle se trouve plus que jamais dans notre camp. Rejoignez la résistance et ensemble libérons la République démocratique du Congo. Honoré Ngwanda a pris le temps de nous préparer et de baliser la fin de notre marche vers cette libération totale de la RDC. Rien ne nous arrêtera.
Mission na mibale ezali pour endormir le peuple congolais pour que mission ya misato a légaliser l'occupation et la balkanisation du Congo.